Hello guys. Welcome back to TechR. Here we make tech products review. In this video we continue electric bike review. If you haven't watched part 1 of eBike review, go and check my previous video. Link is provided in the description. And please make sure you subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get latest update, and don't forget to comment the bike that you like the most.
Hi, I'm Julie, and this is my brother Christian. We're the founders of Mate.
You might remember us from the first Mate campaign, where more than 7,000 of you supported our mission to make the coolest and best possible e-bike ever.
Your trust and support helped us to kickstart a biking revolution all over the world. Today, we're ready to push it even further, and you can be part of it.
After more than a year in development, we're finally ready to introduce the next generation of Mate. Mate X. It's bigger, tougher, more durable, and the most powerful Mate to date. The battery is longer lasting, the tires are wider, and the motor is more powerful. And we did all this without compromising its weight, maneuverability, or design. This Mate is a great excuse to get out of town. And with the new easy shifting gears, you can tackle any obstacles without breaking a sweat. Mate X has bigger, more rounded anti-puncture tires for better grip and better control. This gives you the freedom to go off limits, enjoy the scenery, and make your own fun. High-performance hydraulic disc brakes guarantee you'll always be in control. And in combination with the hydraulic full suspension, riding a Mate has never been smoother, even in the roughest of terrains. Whether you're into adventure, leisure, or just need a bike to get to work, Mate X guarantees a cool, safe, and unique riding experience. Let the bike do the work and cruise at 20 miles per hour for up to 80 miles on a single charge. And thanks to the built-in USB port, running out of juice will never be a problem. Mate X is still foldable, so it's easy to bring it along if you think you'll need it. And Mate X's longer-lasting battery with more volts and more powerful motor gives you acceleration and towing capacity to power your daily adventure. It's been an amazing journey so far, and we're just getting started. With Mate X, we can take it to the next level. Help us put this bike in production. The more we get funded, the better prices and better upgrades we can make to the existing bike.
And I can promise you one thing. We have learned from our first campaign, and we have assembled the best possible team from those experiences to get this bike out and about as fast as possible.
With Mate X, we want everyone to experience the feeling of ultimate freedom and to show the world that biking can be so much more. Join us, and together, let's make it happen.
Hi, I'm Max and I'm a designer. In next 2 minutes I'm gonna invite you to meet Nireeka. Nireeka is a smart e-bike, and our vision is to make it affordable for all people around the world. Let's take a look.
This is Nireeka, an electric bicycle, and beautifully the most affordable carbon fiber smart electric bike ever. With 3 model ranges, Street, Street Plus, and Homey, all under $1,000. You can ride Nireeka as a normal bike with the 10-speed Shimano gears, or enjoy the luxury and the real joy of the 500 watts electric hub motor to go further and beyond effortlessly. You can cruise smoothly through your neighborhood at up to 20 miles per hour or 32 kilometers per hour, and with a range of up to 50 miles or 80 kilometers on a single charge. Nireeka makes every journey an exciting experience. Nireeka is a beautifully designed smart e-bike with a very lightweight yet extremely strong monocoque carbon fiber frame and a powerful motor at an affordable price. With unique and recognizable silhouette featuring a cutting-edge technology, and packed with mind-blowing options. Nireeka is not a downhill bike, but it doesn't mean we haven't pushed it too hard and break its limits. Introducing Nireeka Heartbeat Assist. When activated, the faster heartbeat you get, the more assist you get from the motor automatically. This mode gives you 3 pedal assist levels based on your heartbeat rate. You can also calibrate the percentage of assist you would like to receive using the Nireeka app.
We have already built several prototypes and been testing them over and over. Now, all we need is your support to start the production and bring the Nireeka to you. Thanks for watching.
Nireeka, the future is here. Let's ride along.
It's so small you can find it, right? I'm Dirk Kochan, founder of United City Bikes. I'm not proud of my English, but I'm proud of this one.
We at United City Bikes are sure you like to be flexible and independent. You don't want to be stuck in traffic and spend your time looking for parking? At United City Bikes, we have developed a folding bike that takes urban mobility to the next level. We have asked ourselves, what do you actually need?
Our answer is the world's lightest, smartest, most flexible and most affordable electric folding bike.
A bike that only weighs 12.5 kilos is easy to carry, easy to store and easy to ride.
Quality is our top priority.
You invest in a product that is made to last. The One is not just another folding bike. It contains more than 20 patents, has a handmade magnesium alloy frame, and if you opt for the extra-large battery, it reaches up to 60 kilometers. You can fold the One in 10 seconds. A high-performance magnet holds it in place, and it's only 25 centimeters slim in folded condition. We at United City Bikes hope to change the world by changing the way we move. But we are convinced that changing the world can also be fun.
Get involved and become a part of our crowdfunding campaign.
We don't need crowdfunding to develop this bike, but to start rolling it out. This is a fully tested and certified product. We are ready for the next step to make the world's lightest electric folding bike accessible to everyone in every city in the world. Order the One, and it will come to you fully equipped and ready to use. No compromises, no hidden upgrades. The only compromise we made was the price. How do we manage to keep the cost down and the quality high? We use our experience. We source products from great partners. We know about manufacturing. We believe in crowdfunding and direct online trade. We produce as much as we need. We don't waste money on storage, dealerships, etc.
Everyone gets off this bike with a big smile. Support us to market the world's lightest and smartest electric folding bike globally. We are ready for the next step. Take it with us. Order the One now and you will save up to $890 on the regular price. And I promise that you will have it this summer.